In today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off any iPhone without touch screen in here. Let's suppose you are in a situation where you wish to use your phone, you wanna turn it off, but it's stuck, for example. Let's say that your touch is not working, you're trying to use your phone, but nothing is happening here on your iPhone. Especially, for example, if you try sliding the power to right, let's say you press and hold to power off, you're trying to slide, but it's not working for a specific reason, it's stuck somewhere in here. Do not worry, I'm gonna show you how to fix this annoying problem in here so you can actually get rid of this. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech hacks and tutorials, so if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into this tutorial in here, if you are in a situation where you wish to, for example, enter into an urgent meeting room, you have your iPhone stuck, you simply want to turn it off, the very first thing you need to do in here is simply perform the following steps. You want to force restart and then press another buttons that I'm going to show it to you. So regardless of the screen where you are right now, simply rapidly tap on volume up and then press and hold the power button. This is how it goes. Up, down, press and hold the power button. Okay, just keep on waiting for a few more seconds. Once you see the Apple logo, you want to press and hold the volume up. Here we go, volume up right now. Now that we have the, and then we're gonna release, okay? So as soon as you see the Apple logo, press the volume up. Once you see the black screen, release both of the buttons, and this is exactly how you turn off your iPhone in here in situations where your phone is stuck and only the buttons work. Now, if you simply don't press the volume up after you see the Apple logo, what is gonna happen is that your phone will restart. It's gonna turn it back on, and then you're gonna be in a situation where you won't be able to turn it off. It will keep on restarting. This is especially for devices, for example, that have the screen cracked or something like that, and you're unable to actually use that phone, you only have the buttons. This is how you can actually ensure that you turn off a cracked or broken iPhone device. If you find my content useful here, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.